Infinix finally launched the Note 11 Pro, which is the company's latest mid-range smartphone and succeeds the Note 10 series from early this year. It's all about refinement, with one of the best mid-range smartphones on the market getting just a little more polished and a little bit more streamlined with new upgrades, which I'll delve into in this first look review. From TechWiz, I am Richard Okenye with the Infinix Note 11 Pro first impression video. Let's take it and go. Infinix Note 11 Pro comes in a neat bright green box that also contains accessories like a transparent TPU case, a glass screen protector that's already installed on the phone, a 33-watt fast charger, and a Type-A to Type-C cable and a pair of earphones. The Infinix Note 11 Pro looks pretty sleek. Our unit comes in haze green, so you'll have to agree that it's looking sleek. Yeah. Other color versions include Mist Blue and Mithril Grey. The back is plastic but feels great with a matte finish and has these concave curves at the top and also at the bottom sides. Behind the conservative facade though is a phone that is pretty well put together and whispers quiet elegance. I like it. At the back we have the camera island that hosts a triple camera setup, and at the front is the wonderful bright Infinity O display. This is a 6.95-inch super fluid display rocking 120 Hz of refresh rate. That's high. And a 180 Hz touch sample rate that helps elevate the everyday user experience. It is great for consuming multimedia content. Blacks in the shadow are nice and deep, and colors appear richly saturated without being overly so. That high refresh rate is really handy when you're browsing the web, scrolling through Twitter and Instagram, and playing graphic intense games. At the side of the phone is the volume rockers and the power button, and that has the fingerprint sensor embedded. You won't be spending too much time hovering over the fingerprint sensor as it unlocks the phone nearly instantaneously. Under the hood, Infinix poured plenty of power into the Note 11 Pro as it sports Helio G96 chip and Mali GPU that is coupled with 8GB of RAM and a whopping 128GB of onboard storage. As well, Infinix included MEMfusion feature that extends the RAM on the Note 11 from 8GB to 11GB, and this enables users to go the extra mile with their productivity and creative potential. That's nice of them. Infinix Note 11 Pro ships with Android 11 and XOS 10. XOS 10 features on-trend system-wide icons, rebound effects, enhanced privacy packaged into a fresh and secure software experience. Alongside these headline features, XOS 10 comes with MOL translation engine, smart panel, Power Marathon, Xclone, Monster Game Kit, and Privacy Tracker for a seamless experience on this Note 11 series. There is linear motor technology and in-sync application for multi-screen collaboration and the ability to mirror images or cast pictures, videos, and audio between the smartphone and the TV. As well, use the smartphone as a remote control through simple touch and voice commands using artificial intelligence voice, which will be supported via an OTA software update. Also, we might see Android 12 update coming through for the Note 11, so you can get excited for that. This powerhouse handled everything I threw at it: gaming, heavy browsing, and editing on the go, and as well as streaming. No slouching with the Note 11 Pro when it came to my everyday tasks that I put the phone through. The camera department also gets new lenses. We have a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel telephoto lens that has 30x digital zoom. We also have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front, we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera housed at the center punch hole cutout like its predecessor. There's multiple camera modes to play with, including portrait mode, group selfie, panorama, HDR, beauty, 64 megapixel mode, short video, video bokeh mode, slow motion, AR shot, ultra steady mode, time lapse, and super night mode. Video recording is capped at 1440p for both front and rear video. Stabilized video is at 1080p. Daytime photos look really good with decent amount of detail and vibrant colors. By default, you get shots at 16 megapixel, but you can switch up to 64 megapixel mode to get even more detailed shots and sharper ones too. Ultra wide shots look great as well. Colors are retained properly with the right exposure levels. Portraits and bokeh shots look fine with nice background separation. Selfies are solid too, perfect for sharing on social media. Low light performance is also decent too, and the Super Night mode comes in handy here to get you shots in low light scenarios. Here are some samples. Full camera tour will be posted on techwiz.com, so be sure to check it out. Powering the Note 11 Pro is a 5000 milliamp battery with support for 33-watt fast charging. When it comes to charging, 16 minutes gets you from 1% to 28%, 54 minutes from 1% to 84%, and 1 hour 17 minutes from empty to 97%. I was getting around 7 and 8 hours of screen on time the past few days I've had with the phone. The Note 11 Pro is powerful enough, has phenomenal battery life, great screen and great sound, solid build, excellent software, cameras that stand out for their reliability, and all these competitive specs deliver results worthy of its Pro moniker. Our full review will be up in the coming days on techwiz.com, so make sure that you check that out. Infinix Note 11 Pro goes for 27,499 Kenyan shillings offline at the company's retail stores countrywide, and online too at Xpac, their official online store, and other online e-commerce partners like Jumia. And that's it from us at TechWiz. We done take it, and now you go.